So hello students, today we will study nucleus. So nucleus is the largest organelle and what is the function of nucleus? Stores genetic information. Stores genetic information. Okay, and in its DNA molecule में and it is passed to the daughter cell or you can say next generation में ये pass होता है. The main function is stores genetic information and also controls cellular activities. Write it by yourself. Okay, this basic thing, and it is largest organelle. So structure was described by Robert Brown. Okay, किसमें? In orchid cell. number so number, for example, no nucleus અને enucleate means enucleated means nucleus absent. So it is absent in which? Very common, mature mammalian RBC. Mature mammalian RBC and sieve tubes. Sieve tubes are part of phloem and platelets. One nucleus, it is means uninucleate. Two nucleus, binucleate. Binucleate, example, paramecium. And many nucleus, उसको क्या कहेंगे? मल्टीन्यूक्लिएट. एग्जाम्पल, ओपैलिना, skeletal muscles, so these are the numbers. This is U. Next come to position. Okay, enucleate means without nucleus. Nucleus absent, actually mature mammalian RBC, sieve tubes, platelets. One nucleus, uninucleate. Two, binucleate. Many, multinucleate. And multinucleate is also known as synocytic or syncytial. Position, so it may be center, peripheral, basal. So center, in animal cell. Eccentric, eccentric means side में, on one side, on one side, that is plant cell. Peripheral, that is adipocytes. The structure is like this is fat and this is nucleus. तो ये peripheral हुआ. Basal, that is columnar cell. This you have studied, columnar cell. I have explained you. The structure is like यहाँ base में. Okay. Center में animal, eccentric plant. तो हम लोग में center, plant में eccentric on one side. Shapes, Shapes may be circular, oval, horseshoe, that is example is vorticella. They are various. Okay, so students, they are various shapes, but I have told you only a common one. Okay, next come to the structure. So structure, it is a double membrane structure. So structure, it is a outer membrane, this is inner membrane, and inner membrane एंड आउटर मेम्ब्रेन इनर मेम्ब्रेन को मिला के हम लोग कैरियोथिका बोलते हैं, बिकॉज न्यूक्लियस इज ऑल्सो नोन एज कैरियन, कैरियोथिका. कैन राइट. And it is studded with, outer membrane is studded with ribosomes. So it is ribosomes. And these are pores. Okay, this area is nuclear pores. And nuclear pores may vary. They are about 1000 to 10,000 per 1000 to 10,000 nuclear pores per nucleus, and it is octagonal in shape. ये इस पूरा हम न्यूक्लियर पोर्स के बारे में बता रहे हैं. ठीक है, इट इज ऑक्टागोनल इन शेप एंड डायमीटर इज 800 Angstrom, and it is the space between two membrane is known as perinuclear space. And what else come to a very important part inside this is a nuclear blast. It is nucleoblast. And nucleoblast, it is consists of enzymes which help in DNA replication. DNA replication genetics में है, in class 12 we'll study. So enzymes, nucleoplasm consist of enzymes for DNA replication, and divalentines are present. Divalentines, magnesium, oh, it's manganese students, तो यहाँ पे, and nucleoplasm also has mRNA, tRNA and rRNA. So in detail we will also study one more thing, very important. Chromatin fibers is also formed. It is chromatin fibers. It will condense to form chromosome. And where one more nucleolus part is also found. This is nucleolus. Okay, it is associated with the nuclear organization region. मतलब यहाँ पे rRNA का सिंथेसाइज और स्टोरेज होता है. ओके, सिंथेसिस एंड स्टोरेज ऑफ rRNA, nucleolus. It is nucleolus, chromatin fibers, nucleoplasts rich in enzymes for DNA replication, divalent signs पाए जाते हैं, mRNA, tRNA, rRNA पाए जाते हैं. This is nucleopores. 1000 to 10,000 nucleopores per nucleus are found. It is octagonal in shape and diameter is 800 angstrom. Outer membrane, inner membrane को मिला के karyotheca बोला जाता है, and it is chromatin fibers which condense to form chromosomes, and this is nucleoplast. And outer membranes are studded with ribosomes. Okay, we'll study in detail in next video.